And you probably can't see him now, but he's literally in the tree. And the other one is up in the tree. He's about to climb up and join his brother. They're sitting in a boskia tree with a weaver's nest in it. And they do like to go to the toilet in the tree. Make sure that it's well scent marked as part of a prominent perch within their territory. And cheetahs in the Kalahari are known for climbing trees. They do like to get a vantage point. We did see what they were looking at. There was a Gemsbok tucked up, sleeping on the bottom of the dune. But he's been well aware of their presence for this whole time. So definitely not going to be able to sneak up on him, that's for sure. Some little birds are panicking. There's a big cat in the tree. So they'll move around here. They'll scent mark in the tree, sometimes on the weaver's nest, sometimes the tree, and just make sure it's well covered.